My friend started his success of career with this recipe. He wakes up every single day to make exactly this recipe that I'm gonna show you guys right now. We'll start with a cup of rice, 2 cinnamon, and let's cover it with 2 cups of hot water. Mix everything very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's put it all in the blender. That's right, guys. Let's beat them until it's all crushed, okay? This recipe is a huge success in my friend's city, okay? Now let's add coffee, guys, of any brand, okay? 4 tablespoons of it. If you wanted to add more coffee, you can do it as well. Now a can of condensed milk, it's about 400 grams of it. And cinnamon, okay, but now powdered cinnamon. Now let's beat it all again. Almost done, guys. After beating everything very well, the ingredients are all homogeneous. We are going to put it in a bowl with a lot of ice. That's right, guys. I'm going to sift it to avoid some rice or cinnamon go to the ice, okay? We don't want that. We want just the liquid. After that, we are going to add a little bit more of milk, but it's totally optional as well. The milk I added just to let the color more beautiful, okay? But if you want the strongest flavor of the coffee, you don't need to add more milk. And now, guys, just mix everything very well until it's cold. If you had already known about this recipe or you had the opportunity to try it, tell me down here that I want to know. Now, guys, just put it in a bowl. Put it in your cup and drink this wonder, okay? Of course, guys, that my friend doesn't sell like this, okay? But it's delicious, seriously. It's wonderful for summer who loves to drink a cup of coffee, but it's too hot. Now you have a great option. And if you have an idea how to prepare this recipe to let it more practical, let it down here, okay? At the comment section. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked it, this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you so much and see you guys around.